In this video, we will take the same system discussed earlier. For the next few videos, we will not consider the effect of disturbance. Throughout the videos, when body object is mentioned, it is a part of the whole system. The whole system consists of only the body moving to the origin, so system or body means the same in this context. Throughout these videos, we will keep one objective in the back end of our mind: to bring the body to its origin and to keep it there. To make this happen, the position has to go to 0 and the velocity has to go to 0. In this system, let us consider x1 dot equal to x1 and x2 dot equal to 0. This is an imaginary system where x1 dot equal to x1. The meaning of this system is velocity at any position is equal to its velocity. So say the body is at plus 10 units from the origin, then the velocity will be plus 10 units. This will take the body even further. Then say the body reaches plus 11 units, so the velocity will also be plus 11 units, and so on. So in this case, the body will move further away from the origin. Let us see the solution for the differential equation for this system, say system 1. As the time progresses, the body tends to go to infinity. So as we can see, the objective is not met here in this system. Let us take this imaginary system in which x1 dot equal to minus x1 and x2 dot equal to 0. In this system, the velocity of the body at any position is negative of that position. This can be interpreted as, say the body is at plus 10 position, then the velocity will be minus 10. As the velocity is negative, the body will move towards the origin, and this will keep on happening, so the position will keep on decreasing as 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Say if the body is at position 5, then the velocity will be minus 5, and this will keep on happening until the position as well as velocity reaches 0. Let us take a look at the solution of the differential equation. The solution of x1 with respect to t is e to the power minus t plus c. If we take a look at the graph of the solution, the x1 will continuously decrease till it reaches 0 at t equal to infinity. This is a very interesting system, not only because it achieves the objective that we have first defined, that to reach the origin and stay at origin, but it has few more depth in it. So you can imagine, like, if you can define your system in such a way, or if you can modify your system in such a way that you can suppress the external forces, that is x2 dot equal to 0, and if you can achieve this condition of x1 dot equal to minus x1, that the velocity at any position equal to negative of the position, then the body will automatically come to origin and will stay there. So this is a very important conclusion of this type of system. So let us simulate this system. Our first system was x1 dot equal to x1 and x2 dot equal to 0. So this is the system definition. So the system is no different from the previous system that we have considered as system 0. You can only imagine that the right hand part of the system is cut out. The force is made to be 0. So as you can see, the position information is directly fed back to the velocity. So we can see in the scope and the virtual reality world, there is no effect of force or initial velocity on this system. When we simulate this system, we can see that the body is flying away from the origin, and the graph for the position is also as we have predicted from the solution of the differential equation. Let us take the second system and the most important system. In this, the system definition is as follows. You can see the position information is fed back as negative of velocity. So negative of position is fed back as velocity. As we can see in the system simulation, the position and the velocity will come to 0, and the system, as you can see on the right hand side, is also coming to 0 as time tends to infinity.